Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to Phonics today. For today's lesson, we're going to keep on talking about those two extra blends that we learned yesterday, and we're going to dictate the nonsense words and some words in sentences just to make sure that we remember them and we know what they are when we see them. And so I want you to say them with me a couple of times. Let's do, when I point to them, let's say them 2 times a piece. Ready? Dua, dua. Due, 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 tue, 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 tua, tua, que, 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 que. Okay, and so now I am going to erase this and we are going to write some words and you are going to decide if they are nonsense or if they're true words. Here's my first one. And I want you writing this in your journal as well. Is that hard to see? Say this word. Try and say it by yourself. Twist. Twist. And I notice when I see this ST, I notice that that's a blend as well. St. Tw. So I need to put an arc under tw blend. And then my vowel. And then another one for my second blend. Twist. Twist. Is this a real word or a nonsense word? It's a real word. Good. Let's do another one. Try and pronounce this word. Twig. So my blend, I need an arc. I need an X under my vowel. Twig. Twig. Is this nonsense or real? It's a real word. There are twigs outside. What about this word? Twin. I need to mark my blend and mark my vowel. Good. Now let's do a tricky one. Remember, this is not part of our 2 extra blends, but it makes the same sound, so we still qualify it as a blend. Qu. Qu. It. I need to put an arc under my QU, mark my vowel. And what word is this? Quit. Quit. We do not quit. What about this word? DW. That is one of our extra blends. Dw. Dw. Put an arc. Mark my vowel. B. Dw. B. Dweb. Dweb. Is that a word? Nope. We need to put an asterisk at the top before our word starts because that is a nonsense word. What about this one? Tw. Mark my arc. Mark my vowel. And then there's another blend. St. So I need to put another arc. Now let's say it together. Tw. St. Twist. Twist. Is that a word? Twist. It's not a word. We need to put an asterisk, which is just a plus sign and an X connected above before that sentence starts. So now I'm going to write some sentences on the board, and we are going to dictate which ones have those blends. Okay, so these sentences say, Fred slid in the mud. Stan is Fred's twin, and get a swim mask. So for today's phonics lesson, I want you to write these sentences in your journal, and you need to try and say them and write them in the correct way. So say them slow in your head, sound them out so that you can spell them correctly. And again, I'm not going to show you on the board again. It says, Fred slid in the mud. Stan is Fred's twin. And then the last one is get a swim mask. I want you to post your sentences so that I can see that you can spell those words. Good work today.